What are dental implants and how do they work? Dental implants are artificial tooth roots typically made of titanium that are surgically placed into the jawbone beneath the gum line. Once in place, they provide a stable foundation for replacement teeth such as crowns, bridges or dentures. Evaluation. The dentist assesses your oral health and determines if you're a suitable candidate for dental implants. Surgery. If you're deemed eligible, the dental implant surgery is performed. During this procedure, the implant is surgically placed into the jawbone beneath the gum tissue. Osseointegration. Over time, the bone tissue in the jaw fuses with the surface of the implant in a process called osseointegration. Restoration. Finally, a custom-made dental crown, bridge, or denture is placed onto the abutment, completing the implant restoration.
For more information, please contact us.